Since I started 5 years ago, there are many skills I've learned about street photography, but there is one that is the most important, and it's not the light, the camera or the lenses. It's not a technical skill, but it's something that gives sense to all your pictures. Fly with me to Barcelona and I'll show you. We are in the Gothic Quarter, an absolute gem for street photography, full of character and moments waiting to be captured. This street leading up to the cathedral is wonderful, and I was on the lookout for a subject when I spotted this gentleman in his fantastic outfit, especially the trench coat. He was also smoking, so the ideal shot would be him strolling down the street, smoking, with the coat swaying slightly. I paused to observe his direction, then quickly positioned myself. With the 135mm 1.8 lens, I aimed to stay around 15 to 25 meters back to capture enough of the street. My shutter speed was set to a minimum of 1/250 with auto ISO. All those technical details become second nature, as you are mostly focused on anticipating what's going to happen and capturing it in the best possible way. And this is the most important skill: reading the scene.